question today. Finally, we get a question on JBChemicals and Pharma. Really, this is one of the stocks of the day after that major acquisition that was announced over the weekend. And the stock price is down about 6.5%. This primarily has to do with the level at which the deal took place. But let's talk about Ramana Reddy's question. He's been holding 250 shares for a period of 10 years. Okay, and he's wondering whether to exit at this point. So, Saurabh, obviously, over the course of that 10 years, he's made substantial gains. The question is, does he book out? I think that the perspective we've gotten so far is that this deal has taken place at a very attractive valuation for Torrent. What does it mean for existing investors of JB? And by the way, Ajit Mishra is joining us on this side of the break. As always, Ajit, thanks so much for joining in. But view, Saurabh, on JB.
I think my view is quite constructive for the long term. I think both companies, the company that is buying Torrent Pharmaceutical is a great company, and they have proven their track record in the past. And by buying this company, I think the synergies and the strength will increase going forward. I think for the long term, from the long term perspective, it makes sense to hold. Yes, the deal has happened at a lower price because the PE player is now exiting at the negotiated price, and even the offer is at the lower price than the last close of Friday. That is why I think the stock has reacted. I think he is a long-term investor. Since he is invested for 10 years, I think he can hold for long term. If he wants to come out of the stock, then he can do that. But from the long-term perspective, it's a clear hold.
Would you buy Torrent Pharma at the current price? The stock price is not doing anything. In fact, it's down about 0.1%. Is this an attractive price to enter for the very long term? Because as I understand it, some of these benefits from this acquisition will play out in the coming financial years, not necessarily immediately. What's the view, Saurabh?
You're absolutely right. I think there may be a bit pressure because this company has to take some debt also. So in that case, maybe the stock may see some pressure in the short term. I think buying in a staggered manner is the right approach.
Got that, Saurabh. The next question.